Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can prevent people from adding you to groups on WhatsApp. So it's very much simple and easy. Let me show you guys how to do this. So you can see on my WhatsApp I move to my settings here, something like this. So settings, so from settings you move to privacy, something like this. So with your privacy you scroll down here, good, and you can see groups. So now let's tap on that. So on default it's on everyone, so this means everyone on WhatsApp can add you to a group of theirs. So now let's move it to our contact, or we can move it to our contact and then choose accept, and then we choose all of them. So when we choose all of them, it means nobody on WhatsApp can add us to a group. So for mine I'll choose it to everyone, but then if you want only your contact, you can move it here. So your contact accept, you are going to tap on it, your contact is going to open, and then you select all of them. So it means nobody can send you or can add you to a group on WhatsApp, something like that. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. In my next video I'll be showing you guys how to share a live location on WhatsApp. That's it for the video. Once again, peace.